Video number 2, ready? Here's Jerome. This is the first one he built. Check that bad boy out. Took him a day to build it, and he's been picking at it ever since. But this is the first one. It was supposed to be a, like after the Joker, like when the first Dark Knight movie came out, is when he built it. So we got the Joker colors in there. He's my baby boy with the GoPro. Little cameraman. We are down here at the Lawrence General Hospital little parking lot in Lawrence, and we're doing some drone flying before it gets dark, and then we're gonna go check out one of the cemeteries, I think. I don't know, we haven't decided yet. Depends on how long these batteries last us, because my GoPro battery's already dying, so I'm gonna have to take a break to charge that. And we got the phones I can use. I guess I can use that. Okay, let's do this. You guys ready? Huh? What happened?
Mommy, I make it smaller because I need it smaller.
You see the picture?
Yeah, like this.
All right. Really? What, on the camera?
Let me see.
Hold that.
Hey, there you go.
Okay, turn around, Mason. Take the shot. Get the shot. Go ahead, hold the camera up. Hold the camera up.
It's like a baby finger.
See, when I do zoom on this camera, though, it gets really grainy. There it goes. There it goes.
Don't go down there and no.
There it is.
This one seems a lot smoother than the other one.
Then why aren't you flying it?
Oh, shit.
What? What? Mason, get the shot. Don't be, you can't, if you're going to take the video, honey, you can't take video of the ground. Look at my little cameraman. Oh, baby. Don't take video of the ground, honey. Hold the camera up. Gotta hold the camera up at all times. All times. Never put the camera down. Hi. Want to take a video of me taking a video of you? Hey, dude. Gotcha. Woo! Holy zoom. No.
But please.
No, mommy's got to do this video for YouTube, honey. Let me see. All right. Don't push any buttons. Just keep going with that video. Now I got the GoPro. Okay? Don't push any buttons.
I catch that.
Keep taking a video. Keep taking the video. Don't touch anything.
Look.
Don't. It's taking a video, honey. It's taking a video.
That's a square piece you get some.
Yeah, don't worry about that. Leave it alone. Mason, just hold it up. There you go. Okay?
I'll take a picture. Please? Please?
What?
Please.
You can't take a picture, honey. It's on video. It's taking a video.
Hi, Mommy. I got you.
Hi, I got you too.
Alright, let me try this again.
All right,
Mommy.
Kevin, let's go. Fly the dang thing.
Holy crap.
That one's a lot higher than
Holy
those.
crap.
Here it comes.
Holy crap. That is blew my face right off.
Why aren't you flying this one?
I just
Holy,
wanted to make sure the video was good.
holy crap.
Bugs.
Mom, oh, let me help you.
I got it.
Ew. You stupid bug.
A lot of sugar in my sweat.
Oh, holy
Goes.
cow. Holy
This battery's gonna die.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.
I'm really mad. I need to find the other battery.
Mommy.
We lost one of the GoPro batteries. Ooh, here it is.
This one flies a lot different than the other one.
Different, how so?
As it's more like jumpy. than the other one.
What, is that a bad or a good thing?
The other one's smoother. This one's jumpier. No, this is good for like freestyle. The other one's good for like cruising.
So you're saying the other one flies better than this one?
No, the other one just flies smoother than this one.
Well, exactly, better, right?
I wouldn't say it's better.
Since you can't
Where's
even see me.
where's the drone?
This is
Drone!
here's the controller.
I'm here! Let me know! Here it is. Hi.
Card's full.
And go around circles.
That video ended, the card's full.
Holy
I gotta
crap.
put these videos on the computer, Kevin, and
Oh.
clear the card. Kevin. And we're gonna have to put all the videos on the laptop and clear the cameras and just take the laptop in to court on
I
Tuesday,
need to go
okay?
far, far away. See drone. There it is. There it is. Guys, Mommy, Mommy, I'm right here.
Hi, bud. You still taking the video?
Yeah,
Okay.
come over here. There it is. Whoop. Why is it going that way?
I don't know, honey.
Drone.
To use your camera.
What camera?